With so many options available in the market, with thousands of variations and different prices, one might get confused about which laptop to use, especially when you're a student on a budget. Well, we just made it easier for you. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. We've combined a list of perfect laptops for you after reviewing 1,300 laptops with the goal of helping you find the ideal student laptop for your needs and your budget. Every laptop in this guide has been through our rigorous testing and review process, which includes synthetic benchmarks, graphical and gaming performance, battery life testing, and real-world use cases. So let's see which ones made it to the list. Our top pick is MacBook Air 13-inch M3. You can now find its retail price now that the M4 model's arrived. And don't worry, the M3 version is still a fantastic, powerful laptop that'll stand the test of time. But if you're on a tight budget and don't want much processing, then we have the Acer Chromebook Plus 514 for you, which is perfect for lighter coursework. It's a straightforward and competitively priced laptop which offers a surprisingly good display and performance. Next, we have HP Chromebook Plus 15.6-inch, which is a more premium feeling Chromebook with solid performance and build quality. This HP model is perfect for students taking business or writing courses. Microsoft Surface Laptop 13 is also a great option if you're looking for something powerful but also supremely lightweight and compact. Apart from these laptops, we have the MacBook Air 15-inch M4, which is the best laptop for creative students with the powerful new M4 chip, a large colorful display, and impressive graphical performance. The new MacBook Air is perfect for creative courses. Next, the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2 360 is a 2-in-1 Chromebook. If you want an affordable Chromebook, you can swap into tablet mode for studying on the go or watching Netflix in bed. This is the perfect laptop for your personal use. Now, if you've got a bit more cash to splash and want a compact but powerful Ultrabook, 2025 Intel Core Ultra model of Dell's XPS 13 remains the king of thin and light laptops. These were some of the great picks for you. Which one did you like the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.